Hello, in this video I am going to show how to install Kubuntu 21.04. Select your language and start the installer by pressing the Install Kubuntu button. Set your keyboard layout and press Continue. Choose the installation type Normal or Minimal, and select Download Updates and install third-party software, then press Continue. Choose if you want to automatically partition the disk or assign manually the mount points, press Install Now to continue. Confirm that you want to write the changes to the disk. Select your time zone on the map and press Continue. Create a user, set your host name and press Continue. Thank you for watching the video, and please help the channel by sharing, leaving a like and subscribing.